Hi, my name is Shaina Malhotra, and I came into this session with some beliefs and some doubts which I had about transaction analysis. I think I'm going back with a very, very open mind and a lot of information which has helped me structuring what transaction analysis is. I am able to go back and connect the dots as to exactly where I can use it and how it will bring help to my participants and clients. So thank you, and thanks a lot, Pallavi, for enlightening me with transaction analysis, and I look forward for the next session. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Chanda Sindwani. I do a lot of corporate trainings, and most of my sessions are based on conflict resolution. So I feel this workshop has given me a clue as to how to reduce conflicts, how to analyze situations with everybody, so that now when I go back, I'm able to do a better job at my sessions. So a big thanks to Pallavi for this. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Gargi Arora. I have already done 3 CBT sessions with Pallavi ma'am, and I can vouch for her clarity of concepts. And as far as today's workshop in transactional analysis is concerned, I'm sure I'm going to use a lot of this information with my clients.
Hi, this is Pooja Sharma. I'm from Jaipur. I'm working with children with special needs. And in my master's in psychology, I have read about transactional analysis, but that was more towards the theory part. But today's session was very enlightening. A lot of practical examples were there. So I'm looking forward for the second level too. Thank you, Balram.
Mitra. I am Mind Wellness Coach. Extremely thankful to Pallavi ma'am, because this was a very new topic to me. I didn't know anything about it, but the kind of ease she's shown to explain us, giving live examples, I'm extremely satisfied, and I'm really looking forward for the second session. So thank you to Pallavi ma'am, and I am going with a lot of enriching experience and knowledge with myself. Thank you.
Hello, I am Vikrant Singh Tomar. I attended recently this workshop on transactional analysis. I found it very useful, and basic elementary issues were dealt very well. I really want to thank Pallavi for such a wonderful workshop. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jacob Chaco. It was a great experience to be here today for attending this workshop on transactional analysis. Though I had a basic idea in the past about this topic, today got quite a bit of clearance in many areas in this topic. Pallavi Madam presented it in a very excellent way and cleared many queries that I had. I'll be utilizing this in the practical life of my therapy sessions with my clients. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ishita, and I had no clue about this, but it was a really insightful workshop and I really enjoyed it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Prabal Mishra. This was my first workshop for transactional analysis and by Rav Samudhan. It was a great workshop. It had a lot of insights and I can apply it in my daily life. Thank you.